Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be analysing ATER. This is one we did do an analysis video on I think about a week or two back. It is up 9% on the Friday's close, but what is interesting, you'll see it's all kind of pink on the chart. Why is this? So we will clear these levels after to go through them more clearly, but you can see really quite clearly we do have a range on ATER around this area. So again, we have pushed up 9% on the day, but really not something I'm looking at as a trade opportunity until we either break the 130 or we break below the $1. Because in this kind of area, unless you're trying to trade the kind of the range, there's just a lot of downside and kind of just a lot of chance you get faked out. So really, I would be waiting for the cleaner setups on a break of either side. Now what we'll do is quickly clear this. We can quickly draw in this range just so it's easy to remember, and this is again what we'll be paying attention to kind of confirm the breakout as well. We would be looking for a close most likely on the 1 day instead of just waiting for like a 5-minute close out of here, looking for it on the longer term chart, and then we could expect to see a bit of a longer term momentum trend in either direction. Now what are we paying attention to from here? If we break to the downside, we don't really have too many supports. We got a support at basically 9 cents and 90 cents. So these are key to know, because obviously if you do that breakout to the downside, you may want to wait until we can get below that 90 cents before trading it short. And like we said, obviously we do have a final support at 9 cents. The likelihood of hitting that, probably not all that much. So it might just kind of be there, but not something we can ever actually trade off of. Now if we start pushing to the upside, what are we paying attention that way? We're then looking at 210 and 250 as those closest resistances. Again, first deviation of both the 6 month and the 1 year, and also basically a previous range. You can see quite a pivotal level, bouncing off it back here, holding, pushing off this range. This strong sell-off bounced off this range. Again, just really strong area this range is. And again, it's nice that it lines up perfectly with these deviation channels. So this would kind of be what we trade to. If we can break out of here, we're really looking to trade to $2, and then we'll be cutting out of all the positions we have and waiting for direction to get clear once again. If we break that though and continue up, we then are looking for the 325 and the 360 levels. Going high would be 445, 480. And then final levels taking us to 560 and $6. So this does look like there's a lot of better or kind of easier trading opportunities if we break to the upside. So that's more what I'd be focusing on. And it's not something I would personally be trading if we break to the downside, because I just think it would be quite an ugly and kind of difficult stock to be trading. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.